Nano Babu Kabelen. Welcome to HeiHei Chicken Burger.
Bago kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie. Welcome to Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out. For today's vlog, another vlog with HeiHei and Chooks to Go. So last time na-feature natin yung opening ng kanilang Mabalacat branch, and I told you guys, mga San Fernando people, mag-o-open po ang HeiHei dito. They have two branches now, one in Juliana and the other one kung saan nandito tayo ngayon sa Maimpis along McArthur Highway, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. Kasama na naman natin si Andy ng HeiHei Chicken Burger.
Hey guys!
Yep, thank you so much for inviting us, and this time nandito tayo sa kanilang San Fernando branch.
Yes.
And kamukha ng pag-welcome ng mga tao sa Mabalacat. Good job sa San Fernando branch nila kasi I mean, marami na rin yung mga pumupunta dito.
Yes.
Ano?
Ang pinaka-smallest price talaga natin na very friendly budget is 39 pesos from our classic burger to the crispy HeiHei burger natin na which is 49 pesos. Buy one, take one na.
I see. So similar to the Biggie Cheesy Sandwich, which is yung hotdog sandwich.
Yes.
It's also 49 pesos.
Yes, it's also 49 pesos. Everything is buy one, take one.
Again, an exclusive access dito po sa kanilang kitchen. Mapapansin nyo, ito dito niluluto ko yung mga favorite natin, mga chooks to go na manok. And then on this side, of course, dito yung mga order ng mga HeiHei Chicken Burger. Grabe guys, 11 pieces of fried chicken
Yes.
for only 199 pesos.
Yes. You can avail that for 199 pesos and you must try it.
Yes.
Guys, you must try it and check HeiHei.
Again guys, yung favorite natin na chooks to go, which is very staple sa mga potluck.
Yes.
They have come up with another meal which is yung mga sandwiches nila. So chicken burger and yung Biggie cheese dog.
Biggie cheese dog, classic burger, and also yung 11-piece fried chicken. Especially well known si Chooks to Go.
Yes, yes.
Sa Bounty are zero antibiotics, so chicken is very, very healthy for you guys to check out.
Alright, so what is our vlog without taste testing? So, mapapadalan ba kami ngayon?
Of course, everything, sir. Titikman natin lahat
Titikman
yan.
natin lahat yan.
Sir Louie, enjoy your HeiHei 11 pesos